I finally got my first Jean Paul Gaultier fragrance and I am really excited. This is Le Male. I found this at this brand new Nordstrom rack that opened at my old town that I used to live in. $44.97. This thing always goes for at least like 60 bucks online. This is a 1.4 ounce bottle of the OG. It's still a classic. I still needed a Jean Paul Gaultier fragrance. I wanted that bottle in my collection. Like, it just would look so clean there. It's tough. So without further ado, let's crank this thing open. Gotta love the tin can presentation. Holy moly, bro. Do I actually need a can opener? Or am I tripping? I might need a can opener. Sorry, bro. This is what happens when you get someone who gets a JPG for the first time, even though I've seen many videos. Okay, sorry that took me like 5 business years. Twist from the bottom. I can already see the red velvet or whatever on the bottom, and yo, that looks clean. And here you go. The classic, one of the most classy bottle designs of all time. Like, bro, that's just sick. Like, when I first saw it, I'm like, dude, that's so weird. It's like a freaking body, but it looks cool, not gonna lie. I don't know, it grew on me. And then I like this thing too that shakes around. I think that's pretty awesome. So without further ado, let's spray this thing on. Oh wait, this thing stops it. Oh yeah, no, I recognize it now. Oh, that's good. That is good. It has a lot of elements of different, like from different fragrances that I recognize. Okay, first it reminds me a lot of this Paco Rabanne fragrance because it's a very vintage fragrance. It's kind of the start of a revolution of fragrances back in the 90s. So, it's like how Jeremy Fragrance says it smells like cotton candy. I don't know if it's specifically cotton candy that it reminds me of, but. Alright, just to check in, I've been running errands for 2 hours since I first sprayed the fragrance. I sprayed it on at like 10 something and now it's like 12:20. So my thoughts, I am really enjoying wearing this fragrance. I actually like it a lot more than I thought I would after actually wearing it, because the more I smell it, the more I realize that there's a note of mint and there's a note of vanilla. Those are two great notes that are always goated when they're in colognes. I love mint and vanilla. It just is something really like nice, fresh, and soothing about it, and sweet about it. So that's what I really like about this fragrance. Those two pops. So I can definitely see myself wearing this fragrance pretty often. And again, like the more I wear it, the more I realize like it's kind of just like a classic like French DNA. Like it's got a very French DNA. A lot of old French colognes have this kind of vibe. All right, I am back home. It is 5:31 currently, and finally the scent is starting to fade, but it's still there. It is still there. So 5:30 now. I put this on at about, I guess like I said, it was like 10 or 10:30. So that is about 7 to 8 hours. So I mean, that's what I've heard, is this thing basically lasts 8 hours. I think, yeah, definitely valid. This thing is gonna last at least 8 hours, if not more. And now it's like more of a skin scent, but it's still very present. And yeah, overall, at the end of the day, I actually really love wearing this fragrance. Like when I first smelled it on the opening, I was also just tired this morning. I didn't get that much sleep last night, to be honest. I didn't really do the best job of describing this fragrance, to be completely real with you, from that first impression. But now that I've been wearing it all day, I really enjoy wearing it. Like, it's just a pleasurable experience wearing this fragrance. It's just, I can see why it's a classic. There's something addictive about it. That's what I want to say. That's how I can describe this fragrance. It's addicting. It's addictive. It makes me want to smell it off my wrist constantly. Like, that, again, it's that mint and vanilla and like that candiness. Like, Jeremy Fragrance always describes this fragrance by saying it smells like cotton candy. And I can see why. I don't even like cotton candy. I think it's the most mid thing ever. Terrible texture, just tastes like straight sugar, feels like you're just cooking your teeth. But I will say that cotton candy type smell in this goes so hard, man. Oh, that it just has a pop. I love it. I really recommend this fragrance just because it's such an iconic and legendary. I feel like just for that, it warrants, you know, a place in anyone's collection. And the bottle just looks tough, bro. Like, I'm just gonna be honest. I love the bottle design. It may be sus for some people, but I think it looks really freaking cool. Like, obviously you have to respect all the work they did. Spot for it right here. Let's freaking go. That looks beautiful. Nice.